This is resetting the oil light for a 2001 Econoline Ford E-250. First, take the key, go to the second position, and you want to go to oil change. And what you want to do is you want to hold it down when you get to the oil change setup. So let's go to reset menu, hold that down. Oil life. Now hold that down again. And then it's going to tell you which one you want to reset to. So you can change it to like 180, 70, 60, 50. Let's see, let's go back there again. Hold the menu down. And then you're going to hold it. It's going to cycle through, so wait till it gets to 100. 40, 30, 20. And then release it, and now it's at 100, and that resets the oil light.